colors in a fun way. Blue, blue, up in the sky, the blue kite is flying high.
Green is for grass and trees all around. Green is the color we found.
Yellow, yellow, bright as the sun. Learning colors is so much fun. Orange fruit is tasty and sweet. Orange is a color you can eat. Pink is soft, like candy too. Pink is a color just for you. Purple grapes are yummy to munch. Purple is a color you can crunch. Brown horse, black cat, white sheep too. These are colors for me and you. Blue, green, and yellow bright. Orange, pink, purple, what a sight. Brown, black, white, all in a row.